Welcome back, guys. So in this video, we're going to be building a NAV bar. So let's get right into it. Let's close this. So let's create our folder, our file. We're going to call this project navbar.html. So let's do a shortcut. Good. So the next thing we're going to be doing is, we're going to be using external CSS in this one. So I'm going to create another CSS file here. So let's name this nav.css. Good. So in our project navbar, we're going to link our CSS here. Let's do that quickly. This is link real style sheets, then href for our directory, CSS, then nav CSS. Good. So the next, I'm going to close all this because we don't need them right now. Let's close them up. I'm going to split my screen so that I can have my style in one and my HTML in the other. So let's get started. So the first one we're going to create is using our semantic tags. So I'm going to call this nav. I'm going to use the unordered list li. So let's call this home. I'm duplicating this, changing this to about. Let's call this contact us or blog before contact us. Then we'll call this contact us. Good. So let's give it in a class name. I'm calling the class nav. So let's start styling .nav. So the first thing I'm going to be doing here is making the width 100%. Then let's give it a height of 50 pixels. Background color, let's give it gray. Let's run it to see what it looks like before we continue. So this is what we have here. And let's continue. So let's add a little bit of padding. 10 pixels. Reduce this. 30. Good. Looks better. So now let's start styling our unordered list to look better. We're going to use the ul li. First, we're going to be taking out the list style. So list style none. I'm going to write this. The styling has changed. So the other thing we're going to be is display inline, so they can be on the same line. You can see that. So the next thing we're going to be doing is centering it. We want it to be in the center. So I'm going to do text align, center. This is it. And we're going to space them out a little. They are too close to each other. Good. So let's give them a font size so they can be bigger. They're looking so small. Let's check if this is much. Good. I think this is fine. Let us increase the height of this. Good. Now let's undo this. Let's save this. Wait. I think we have. Good. So this is what we have. Let's give our URL. Good. So this is what we have now. Looking now nice. So this is our nav bar. Looking pretty. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you in our next project.